All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2019 18 Chevy Express cargo van. It is the 2500 white with the gray vinyl interior, AM FM stereo system. It's got backup camera, 26 miles on this car. And best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice ounce curbing. Tire tread is over 7/32, obviously. Do have a dent here, as you can see it, right there in the door. Boom. Another dent continuing right there, as you can see it. And then a heavy scratch there. Boom. That pretty much is it for the side. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver's steel wheel. And tire tread is obviously over 7/32, only 26 miles on this vehicle. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. You got your power seat, as you can see. I'm sorry, no power seat. Front seat, front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It does come with 2 keys and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. As you can see, it still has this little thing still on there. Prove that it's new. It's got the new sticker there on the radio, AM FM stereo. You got your EC controls. Got your owner's manuals right there and your cup holders. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And there's your mileage of. Come on. Your mileage will show up any minute. Up there it is, 26 miles. Wow. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Keep it moving. Rear bumper looks good. Rear doors look good. These doors. This is of course what your rear cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. As you can see, the rubber mat still new and intact. Here, of course, you got one of your doors and what that looks like. Very nice. Likewise here. And just to check your roof, there you go. What that looks like. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger steel wheel. Tire tread is over 7/32. These doors look good. Of course, with your side cargo area, these doors do swing out. You got to just push that little thing there, and they swing all the way. Check out pictures for more details. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears or rips. Get your new window sticker still on there. Boom. Door looks good. Here's your fender looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. Tire tread is over 7/32. Lights are working. Things are running. Folks, once again, a 2018 Chevy Express cargo van with 2500 with 26 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.